Guys, have you ever had it where you start up your car, you hear a ticking sound coming from the engine? Not a knocking sound, a ticking sound. Let me just let you know, okay? That is a valve, the things that open up exhaust and let in air and shit. So that's not actually a very big deal, okay? It's not a very, very severe problem. There is a way you can fix it to where it stops ticking. It's very, very, very simple. Okay, so what you're gonna do is start up your car. This car does not have the ticking sound, but you will start to hear that ticking sound. What you're gonna do is you're gonna rev it to about 2,000 to 3,000 RPMs for about 1 minute. Just count 1 minute. After the minute's up, let it go. Your ticking sound should be gone. And if it's not gone, you have a much more severe problem than just a tick, okay? But just hope and pray that that's not the problem, or else you have to take off the entire, all this shit right here, okay? So guys, that's how you fix a ticking sound on any vehicle, okay? Everyone knows to subscribe and turn on the bell.